Are you using link retargeting? If you're not, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And a lot of people do not know how to do this. In fact, most people I talk to have never even heard of it. So let me show you what link retargeting is and why you should be using it. Most of us know about retargeting. You send someone to your landing page, you then follow up with an advert. That's pretty standard and pretty much everyone should be doing it now. However, link retargeting is different. Now, this is obviously my site, so I can build my retargeting audience. But what happens if I want to send people to, for example, this is Active Campaign. Now, I want to send someone to an Active Campaign page because they've got a great bit of content. They've got authority that I don't have. In normal circumstances, I would actually lose that person. I couldn't retarget them. However, with link retargeting, what you do, you apply your pixel, your retargeting pixel, to the link. Then what happens when they click the link, you can then retarget them. Now think about this for a moment. If you send out some tweets, some Facebook posts, a Pinterest post, an email, okay, and say, hey, here's 15 proven ways to grow your email list. The people who click through are going to be the people most likely to want to know that. Okay, they're the most likely the people who are building an email list. You can then retarget the people who click that link with your own adverts. So I've created a quick video, 10-minute video, to show you how to do this. You'll find it in our free members area. Just click the link and you can go and have a look at it. And then let me know what you think and how you're going to use it.